So today we're going to test these iPhone cables. We'll do different tests on them and see how we get on with that. Unboxing. It's really soft, but we see how strong that is. Let's see. It works, so it passed the first test. Stretching it, you know, like I did it with my whole power. Now we do another test. Let's say it is plugged in and we do this. We do it many times and see. I love testing these gadgets, you know. Still working, as you can see. So we'll give it more abuse. Here, I think this is what normal people do. We'll just do this like this, we'll tie it around. Still working. So they are really, really good.